In the world, there are lots of people are can't able to speak loudly in their video conference due to their mic because their mic have very few voice and their mic have some buzzing sound. To fix it, let's begin. Hello guys, my name is Charchit Sogani. Welcome to CS Creators YouTube channel. So guys, to fix it, you have to do is open your settings by clicking on start button, and then here you see a gear type of icon. Just click on it. After in the settings, you see this type of page. In this page, click on system, and in the system here you can see display. You see display, color, night type, and here you can see some systems. So click on sound, and in the sound here you can see how your microphone works and more about your sound. Now here click on sound control panel. Here you can see. After clicking on it, just click on recording, and then here just click on the tick where you see tick. Double click on that device, and then click on listen, and then set it to 100. And if your microphone have some buzzing sound, then reduce it to 0. In the advancement, buzzing sounds can also be cancel by just tick these items. You see these items in Realtek audio driver. To download it, tell me in the comment section. And then in the advanced section, just set it to DVD quality. And then your problem will be fixed. For the proof, just when I reduce it, my voice become few low. And then if it set to be 100, then my voice become full. In the microphone boost, when I increase it, then my voice becomes some buzzing sound, and then when I set it to 0, then there are no buzzing sound. So guys, your problem was fixed. So guys, if your problem was fixed, then make sure to like the video and share it to your all friends, and also subscribe the channel for more notifications. Thanks for watching.
Storybox Audio.